Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing. Today is Friday, the 8th of March, 2024. And we'll start with the synoptics. Okay, this is midnight tonight. We have a sort of a moderate isobars there, so it's going to be a little bit breezy today. You can see the low is over the Bay of Biscay and a cold front is moving this way. We'll leap to 12 o'clock lunchtime today. The cold front hasn't moved very far, and nothing much has changed behind it, or ahead of it rather. This is midnight, and it's turned into an occluded, and then look at midday tomorrow, and the occluded has passed overnight. I think tomorrow will be similar to today, and I think today will be quite good. Let's look at winds at height. The winds at height, 20-25 knots at 100. So we'll be on runways 09 with a very slight crosswind from the right. So we'll need a bit of correction there. Looking at the satellite, this is a window for over the last 2 hours. And you can see we're in that clear patch at the moment, and it looks clear ahead of it as well. So rain radar, this is the Met forecast. And sorry, rain today, this is. So no sign of rain today. I think it should be a clear day today, as it was yesterday. This is the Met forecast. So that's the picture at the moment. And then scrolling forward throughout the day, there's a little bit of rain from the front. And I think we'll have a dry day, which is good. The standard forecast, this is the right day. This is today. So blue skies. Not much chance of rain, a little bit cloudier towards the end of the afternoon. Temperatures 10 degrees, feels a little bit cooler. Wind straight down runway 09, 16, 17 at most, gusting 27, 29. It's just I don't know what that is, an anomaly. Visibility very good. That means 10 to 20k visibility, and moderately low humidity, so we shouldn't have a problem with misting canopies later in the afternoon. This is the picture outside at the moment. We woke up to a slightly hazy but very blue sky, and hopefully it will stay that way. That car is still there. I'll just refresh that just to see how it looks. Okay, METARs. And this is just a recent one. Visibility 7k, few clouds, very high. Don't think we'll get that high. And the TAF, few clouds, 1500 feet. Probability 30%. This is temporary until 11 o'clock. And visibility 4k and haze. Yeah. Winds 50 knots. I think the main issue today will be the winds. The ground is quite dry, so we can be landing on the grass as they did yesterday. And this is Farnborough, and it's saying much the same, visibility 7k, and a few clouds at 3,000 feet. No evidence of that at the moment. Okay, SkySight. And this is today. So it's saying a blue day, a little bit of high cloud later on. Thermal soaring up to 2.3. That would be good. Soarable height 16, 1700 feet AGL. The winds as aforementioned, and gusting to 22. Winds at height, so it's forecasting a little bit stronger than we saw from the Met. Okay, the weather station here at Lasham at the moment, it's saying it's average 10 knots, gusting slightly more, which is about a little bit more than what we had yesterday, but not very much. We had last rain we had was about 10 o'clock yesterday, which is great news. And yeah, that's all we had on the last 24 hours. Okay, NOTAMs, nothing for today. These two 18 and 19s down there, I think it's a rifle range down there, but nothing in our area. And let's go and have a look at our setup. Okay, today we have instructing Malcolm and Bob. We have availability of three K21s and three K13s, and one of the 13s isn't being used, so that's available if someone wants it. Grobs, we still have only SH6, and that's red card only. The Falk is available as well, that's come out of the workshop. We have no movements of heavy aircraft today, but we have a light twin coming in at 11 o'clock, so that overflies our launch point setup and won't inconvenience us too much. Airfield setup, so we're on runway 09, so the winch down at the far end, not much of a crosswind, so hopefully we can get a long cable run. Cables coming down the south side on the boom with the retrieve truck on the runway, and aerotowing from the north runway. If it really is dry, we might start moving the winch onto the grass. Okay, we'll have the fire truck behind the launch point as usual, and please remember to any park gliders if you park them behind the fire truck so you're not in the way. Okay, so it looks like a good day, quite a busy day, I think. So if you'd like to start getting stuff out, and I should be out with you shortly. Thanks very much.